morning, guys. It's a Sunday. Everyone's sleeping, and I have just woken up early. बारिश हो रहा है, so it's pretty good. I love to see the views. I gotta practice. That's the only way my yoga sir said that my practice is gonna get better. So let's go. I like to practice in this room. It just gives me a feeling कि it's not peaceful. Bombay में sometimes it's very easy to get lost in the hustle bustle and it's a very fast paced city as you all may know. तो इधर एक अलग टाइप का सुकून मिलता है. This is my space. Yoga mats are stored here. मम्मी पापा सब ऊपर आके कभी कभी योगा करते हैं, कॉफ़ी पीते हैं और it's just a good way to start your day. People think doing 100 Surya Namaskars, 200 Surya Namaskars is achieving and doing a great workout. But that is the biggest myth and that is the biggest mistake that people are making. Even if you do 1 or 2 Surya Namaskars, but it is done with proper intention, with proper alignment, where you are using all the muscles, all the points of your body, all your chakras, your breath work is great. That is when you've aced Surya Namaskar. I was the one who used to do like 50, 60 and be like, wow, I can do yoga so well. But after joining this course, I can do max 5 to 6 Surya Namaskars with great posture, with great holding, with great breath work. So, it's just one thing that I wanted to share कि अगर आप भी ऐसे mistake कर रहे हो then please don't, because yoga is not about how much you achieve but how you achieve it and how you're feeling while you're achieving it. So Sunday कुछ ज़्यादा heavy हो गया होगा ये, but I am going to do my yoga practice now and I feel like अगर मैं कल रात को जल्दी नहीं सोई होती I wouldn't have woken up to do this. So it's just so important to get your sleep clocked in. Only then you will wake up and give yourself that time and that energy that's needed to feel like doing some kind of movement. So I just feel like making the decision to go to sleep at night a little earlier than you usually do is the best thing that you can do to yourself. After my 30 minutes practice, I am going to have my nuts. मम्मी हमेशा बोलती थी कि भिगा के रखो, morning खाना चाहिए. So this is what I'm going to have. And then do a good breakfast. Today's Sunday. We have many big plants in the house. So I like to mist all of them in the morning. हम लोग ने इसको नाम दिए हुए हैं. This one is called Bobby. Good morning, Bobby. So it's my brother-in-law's birthday today and there's just some flower decorations. हम लोग टेबल सजा के केक कटिंग करेंगे and his name is Jay. And my most favorite Montu, जिसके साथ मैं रोज योगा करती हूँ. He's here. Just gave a new big leaf. Look at this. It's huge. I just love the shape of this plant. It's just beautiful. Now my husband will wake up and I switch on his coffee machine because it takes 10 minutes for it to kind of start working. तो वो कर लेते हैं because morning में he needs his coffee. This is the setup at our home. I'm sure you might have seen in our other videos, but today we'll have a look at how he's making coffee from scratch in detail, because today is a Sunday and he's gonna take it slow. He's a slow morning kind of guy. मतलब कॉफी में इतना सारा हो सकता है, I never knew. Like such small things, if you guys see. I don't even know how this is used because I don't have tea or coffee, but I mean, just look at this. It's so thought of. And the beans are always from Bougie. Bougie के तो fans हैं हम लोग के घर पे. Bougie and Project Hum, these two cafes we literally love in Mumbai. This is the weighing scale. वो आएगा अभी तो पता चलेगा, but I was like might as well show you guys. ये पता नहीं क्या है. I have forgotten why he's put this. और cup selection is the most important thing because depending on the mood, right? So we've got these pretty 2 cups that my friend gifted. ये हमने Bandra से लिया था. A guy was selling it. So cute. I don't remember where this one was from, but Nicobar. I love Nicobar prints. They are just so beautiful. This was from H&M Home, and all the cups the ye wala I think IKEA. But yeah, before he was into pour overs, and then he moved to proper coffee at home once we got the machine. And yes, this is of course instant coffee when quick we want to make it for guests, so we use this. बहुत सारा है इधर कुछ ना कुछ सामान. This full box has like coffee beans, pour overs, green tea. इसमें भी वही है. He used to churn his beans in this before. So ये सब रखा है अभी भी. And the birthday boy has woken up. Happy birthday, Jay. How was last night? Birthday boy is attending calls and kind of shy on camera, so let me spare him. So step number 1, he makes sure it is 20 grams, and these beans, as I said, is from Bougie, roughly 20 grams. इसके बाद ग्राइंडर में डाल दो. Just wait. It's going to come out in this. What is this for? And once it stops making this sound slightly, you gotta stop it, right?
No, it stops.
Oh, it stops on its own. Okay. Ronak, meanwhile, can you explain what is this for? I forgot. I wanted to show.
That is it's a voltage protector.
Voltage protector for what?
For the machine, because it's made in Italy, so they have some differences in voltage from India also.
Okay. This is the shot. Now I think he'll just add his milk, ice, sea salt, whatever he wants. घी डालो इडली पे. घी थोड़ा ही डालना. घी के बिना इडली में मज़ा ही नहीं. Favorite South Indian Sunday breakfast. Every Sunday we have South Indian for breakfast. Idli and dosa. बारिश में it just tastes so yummy. Sundays are incomplete without a short nap. So after a heavy South Indian breakfast, we were just relaxing, and then we prepped for Jayu's birthday. This is a little glimpse of the decor that we did. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I might keep posting every Sunday just a little bit of my life, and I hope you guys had a good time.